In the night, who's awake? Nocturnal friends, the sounds they make. Eyes so sharp, hearing clear. Let's meet the animals that appear. The bat flies high with silent wings. Echoes guide him, his song he sings. Coyote howls beneath the moon, his call a lonesome, haunting tune. Fireflies glow, they light the skies, twinkling stars in tiny size. Kiwi sniffs the forest floor, with a beak it finds more